3D floor plans are an incredibly useful tool for property developers and estate agents looking to showcase properties to potential buyers or investors. Unlike traditional 2D floor plans, 3D floor plans provide a more realistic and immersive experience, allowing buyers to get a better sense of the space and layout of the property. With 3D floor plans, property developers can showcase every aspect of the property, from the layout and dimensions of each room to the placement of furniture and fixtures. This allows buyers to visualize themselves in the space and can help them make more informed decisions about the property. Additionally, 3D floor plans can also be customized to include features such as virtual staging, which allows developers to showcase the property in a variety of styles and configurations. This can be especially helpful for properties that are still under construction, as it allows buyers to get a sense of what the finished product will look like. Overall, 3D floor plans are an essential tool for property developers and estate agents looking to market and sell properties. With their ability to provide a detailed and immersive experience for buyers, 3D floor plans can help to attract interest, speed up sales, and ultimately increase profits. To receive a free quote for 3D floor plans, reach out to us at www.propertycgiltd.com or email us with your queries at info@propertycgiltd.com. We look forward to working with you.